function in your fashion? Is there compassion in the styles you're flashing? Contemplate before you purchase. What is the purpose underneath the surface? What's the function in your fashion? Is there compassion in the styles you're flashing? Contemplate before you purchase. What is the purpose underneath the surface?
Our trendy fashions are mostly made by slave labor, underpaid children in the maquiadora. Nike, Gap, and even Supreme pay illiterate workers just to sew up the seams, so I could look fly, keep it trippin', keep it tight, while some underfed mothers have to work all night.
What's the function in your fashion? Is there compassion in the styles you're flashing? Contemplate before you purchase. What is the purpose underneath the surface? What's the function in your fashion? Is there compassion in the styles you're flashing? Contemplate before you purchase. What is the purpose underneath the surface?